This is a bi-level that's got algae growing on the siding. Usually we clean it about once a summer. We didn't clean it last year. There's a really easy way to clean this stuff off. And you can do it with pretty much everything you've got at home. Okay, we bought this at Sam's. I'm just going to use these 4 extra durable. I don't have to worry about grease. I don't have to worry about the smell. It's obviously outside, so let's see what happens. Now here's the interesting thing about this. If you spray it down, wipe it. See my thing here, and you don't do anything for a minute, this will actually start to reattach. Then you'll have to wipe it again. But as long as you get to it in a decent amount of time, magic eraser breaks it loose from the siding. And you can see the difference. This on this side of the house, which is generally the north side of the house, but if you do this, make sure you test it in a spot that, you know, behind this, where if it gets a little discolored, nobody's ever gonna notice it. You know, great big spots the whole way down the siding, that's gonna look bad. But yeah, just a quick wipe. You make sure you get up underneath here, get all this, and all you do is just basically wipe it on, and rinse it off. We used 3 sponges. Here's a brand new one, and here's what's left of 2, going around all of the all this, and then the last one right here.